Welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. If your JVC TV screen appears half dark and half bright, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many users experience, and today, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to help you diagnose and fix it effectively. Make sure to follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your TV's picture quality. Step 1. Understanding the issue. When one half of your JVC TV screen turns dark while the other side remains bright, it typically indicates a backlight imbalance or a signal processing issue. The most common causes include a defective LED backlight strip on one side of the screen, a loose or damaged ribbon cable connecting the panel, or occasionally, a software glitch or incorrect picture settings. Understanding the root cause will help you identify whether it's a simple setting adjustment or a hardware problem that requires repair. Step 2. Perform a power reset and picture calibration. We'll begin with the simplest fix, a power reset. 1. Turn off your JVC TV and unplug it from the wall outlet. 2. Wait for at least 60 seconds. 3. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 10 seconds. 4. Plug the TV back in and power it on. Next, check your picture settings. Navigate to Menu Picture Reset Picture Settings to default. Sometimes, incorrect brightness or contrast levels can cause one side of the screen to appear darker. Resetting the picture settings ensures balanced lighting across the display. Step 3. Inspect external connections. If the issue persists, it's time to verify your external connections. Disconnect all HDMI cables, USB drives, and external devices. Inspect each cable carefully for any bends, frays, or damage. Try switching HDMI ports or using a different cable. A defective cable or malfunctioning input port can sometimes cause uneven display signals, leading to brightness imbalance. If the screen remains half dark regardless of the input, the problem likely lies within the TV's internal components. Step 4. Testing the backlight. To determine whether the issue is caused by the backlight, perform this simple test. Dim the lights in your room and shine a flashlight close to the dark side of your TV screen. If you can faintly see the picture, it means the LED backlight strip on that side has failed. The solution is to replace the faulty LED strip or the backlight driver board. If you're not experienced in TV repair, it's best to contact a qualified JVC service technician. This repair is typically quick and more affordable than replacing the entire display panel. Step 5. Preventing future problems. To prevent this issue from happening again, avoid setting the TV's brightness level to maximum for extended periods. Ensure proper ventilation around your TV to prevent overheating. Use a surge protector to safeguard the internal electronics from voltage spikes. And perform a factory reset occasionally to maintain software stability. Following these preventive steps can significantly extend your TV's lifespan and maintain its picture quality. And that's how you can fix the half-dark, half-bright screen issue on your JVC TV. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others facing similar problems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Tech Vibe channel for more professional TV troubleshooting and repair guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.